Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and Ethereum daily update, crypto market daily update. Actually, we are going to see if we are going to have more correction. But before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You can trade 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities through our automated system. You can find the links in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon, buy me a coffee, or our brand new website, billmindyourcrypto.com. You can join from there, and of course, you will get tons of benefits, including a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, transcripts for TradingView, and many other benefits. So we are going to see a little bit where we are right now. We found rejection again on the 4-hour frame. You can see that once we were above the 50-day EMA, again, it was a perfect selling opportunity. This is what happens in a bearish market, okay? Going above the 50-day EMA, perfect selling opportunity. We couldn't hold the 50-day exponential moving average, neither the 20-day exponential moving average, and then we fell down, correcting down from the 20-day EMA. Usually we do not like these price actions right there. They bring more correction to the crypto market and they bring more correction in general. Okay. We are going to see though what is the best buying opportunity before we make this huge bounce we are talking about. If you remember on this whole previous market updates, we talked about this swing high we expect, mainly because the commodity channel index, this risk metric, is below the minus 100 in the weekly frame, and we have seen that only 7 to 8 times in the history of crypto market from 2017. Okay, so whenever we are going into this area below the minus 100, we are going upwards. Also, we have like a hidden bullish RSI divergence pattern right here formed on the monthly frame, and that is because we get a lower low in the RSI and the higher low in the price as well. You can see that, right? But anyway, let's keep our calm right there, especially we are seeing the weekly frame right there, and I am observing the weekly frame, and I am seeing that on the Fisher transform we have an extreme oversold situation as well. You can see that we have seen that a couple of times in the history, 5 times more in the history from 2017 and afterwards. So right there, it is the first time to accumulate. But can you identify the exact bottom? No, you cannot. Okay, the only thing that you can do is to know where around which prices can you actually buy and which prices do you anticipate the bottom to be in. As for Ethereum against USDT, we are having the 3.4K as a major resistance level. We are getting down to the 3.2, probably to the 3.150. Okay, and once we are going there, we might be having a buying pressure. We can see that, we will see about that, and go back to 3.3K. As for Ethereum right there, it will follow the Bitcoin's trend right here. You can see that we had a little bit of bullish days right there for Ethereum, but it is going down due to the Bitcoin's price action mainly. Okay, so what are we expecting for Ethereum? It is the same as for Bitcoin as well. We expect a huge bounce above the 100 for the weekly commodity channel index and the stochastic RSI as well. We expect it to be better on the weekly. You can see the Fisher transform as well. It is going to have probably to go down to the -2 again, maybe to have a higher low pattern. We will see about that, but eventually it is getting down to the prices that we had back on September. Ethereum is outperforming mostly many altcoins right there, including Bitcoin, but right now we are correcting more because of Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Okay, so we are going back to Bitcoin. Which are the next best buying targets for Bitcoin and the most possible targets to have a very nice swing high of relief? We are going to open our Fibonacci retracement from the bottom back on 19 July to the top on 8 November, and we are going down here, and probably we are going to the 0.786. What we are doing is that we usually stop either a little bit above the 0.786, probably at the 39,000, let's say. So I'm going to put the first price label, and the next one is that we go a little bit lower, maybe to the 36.7K. All right, if we go there, we have a huge strong buying pressure and a huge buying opportunity. So between 37 and 39, it is very possible for Bitcoin to have a swing high and of course to have the major swing high we expect. The major swing high we expect right there can be around 30%, 40% or more profit target for Bitcoin. That will mean that we can go potentially even higher than the 51.5, okay, towards maybe the 54k and so on. But for now, for the time being, we are seeing the market collapsing. We are seeing the patience of people getting smaller and smaller. But to be honest with you, what you need to do is to have patience. Patience is a key for success in the cryptocurrency market. You do not know how much you will miss if you sell right now. You do not know how much you will miss if you sell. We are again in yearly profit targets right there, and because we will be going upwards, then you will regret selling. Okay, this is not financial advice, that's my personal opinion, but I'm telling you, I have seen those days with my own eyes back from 2017. Okay, many people sold into the area that we should be buying. They should be buying. For example, in the Evergrande episode, we sold right there as we should buy. Okay, on 23rd September 2019, many people sold around this area right there, but if you expected the bull run right here, you wouldn't sell, you would accumulate even more and more. You can see this whole phase right there was a phase of reaccumulation. Okay, I'm going to remove the magnet. I'm going to show you right here. This whole phase right now can be a very, very nice reaccumulation phase right here. All right, this whole area right here can be a very whole nice reaccumulation phase to go even higher than the 73, maybe to 80k or so on. All right, so definitely I think that you should be having a little bit of second thoughts if you want to sell. I think that we are going soon to a reaccumulation phase and to a swing high. All the indicators, all the risk metrics are with us. Okay, we just need patience, because when we see these risk metrics on the weekly frame, we usually go upwards like 1 month or 2 months after. We are in 2 months of consolidation already. We are going maybe for a third month. I feel like February is going to be very, very good for the crypto market. Maybe not February, but also by the end of January. Okay, so you need a little bit more of patience. I know it is hard. I know that the most of you want to sell immediately. I know that by seeing this price action, you are scared. I would be scared too if I didn't know, if I didn't have all this experience from 2017 and further above. And of course, I grew my patience right there because I did many mistakes that we all do. Okay, I sold in loss around 25% in loss or maybe more. All right, I did all the mistakes right there, but I have learned from my mistakes. I do not sell so easily, and I'm just having the patience whenever something is going bad, just having the patience right there to stay, to hold, and things will go better. We will soon all smile, we will soon all grow together, okay, and through Mind Your Crypto, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription to get many benefits, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.